Okay, let's see.
Where did it go?
Where's the pear? Where did it go? Blow on it. Let's see. Can you find it?
Yeah.
There it is. Can you do the magic trick again?
Yeah.
Okay, show me how you do. How do you make the pear disappear? Where'd it go?
There?
Is it there? I don't know. Blow on it. Okay, let's see. Is it there?
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't know. Where did the pear go?
No?
Where did it go? Under the bowl?
Yes.
Good job. Well, it's colorful. We could just go walk around it one day.
What? Mama.
Where'd it go?
We can just go walk around one
Go.
day. Sure, why not? It's a public hotel.
Ah!
Where is
Might
it?
have a coffee shop.
There it is.
It looks very colorful.